Hello viewers. In this video I will be teaching how to add patterns and colors on the clothes using Photoshop. So, let's start. First, open your image into Photoshop. Now, select the Quick Selection tool, and then start selecting the cloth on which you want to add pattern. Make sure that the selection is very precise. Once the selection is done, then add a solid color layer. Select any color and hit OK. Still the details of the shirt are not visible. So, go to blending mode and select multiply. Now the details are visible. Now, drag and drop the image of pattern that you want to apply. Adjust its size and orientation according to the t-shirt. Right-click on the pattern layer, then click on Create Clipping Mask. Now, go to blending mode, and select multiply. To change the color, simply double-click on the color layer and select any color of your choice. Now, to add another pattern, select the pattern layer, and then drag and drop the second pattern into the Photoshop. Adjust its orientation and size according to the t-shirt. Now drag this layer to bottom of pattern 1. And turn off the pattern 1 layer. Now, go to blending mode and select multiply. To change the color, simply double-click on the color layer and select any color of your choice. Using this same process you can add as many patterns as you want. Let's add another pattern. You can also adjust the placement of pattern by moving the pattern layer. Once the adjustment is done, then go to blending mode and select multiply. To change the color, double-click on the color layer and select any color of your choice. Now, you can see all the pattern one by turning off layers. We are done here. Let's have a look at final output. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.